Students, today's our topic is cell division. The smallest structural and functional unit of an organism, which consists of cytoplasm and nucleus enclosed in a membrane, is called as the cell. As we all know that our body is made up of different parts, and these different parts carry out different functions. Now, these body parts are made up from the tissues, and the tissues, they are made up of the cell. Means ultimately, who is the cell? So, the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism, which consists of cytoplasm. What does a cell consist of? सेल में क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? सेल में साइटोप्लाज्म is present and nucleus is present, and they are enclosed in a membrane. Okay, a protective membrane is there to protect this genetic material inside the cell. Okay, now there are two types of cell. How many types of cell are there? Two types of cell present inside our body. The first is the somatic cell, and the second cell is the germ cell. Now, what is the difference between the somatic cell and the germ cell? See, the somatic cells, they are present, means whatever the cells are present in our body, mostly they are the somatic cells, except the cells which are present in the reproductive organs, they are the germ cells. Okay, now the cells which are responsible for the growth and development of our body are the somatic cells. Okay, and the cells which are responsible for the reproduction or the reproductive or the cells which are present in the reproductive organs are called as the germ cells. Now, these somatic cells and the germ cells plays a very important role in the cell division. We will see how this is a cell, and what does this cell consist of? सेल में क्या क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? The cell consists of the nucleus. Okay, this is a nucleus. This one is the nucleus, and inside the nucleus, chromatin fibers are present. These thread-like structures, they are called as the chromatin fiber. Okay, where they are present? They are present inside the nucleus. Again, it also consists of the nucleolus. Okay, it also consists of the nucleolus. Now, also the cell consists of the cytoplasm. Okay, now this nucleus, inside the nucleus chromatin fibers are present. Also cytoplasm and the nucleolus, they are enclosed in the nuclear membrane. This nuclear membrane is a protective layer which protects, which guards this genetic material. Okay, now this is a cell. Then outside the cell, outside the nuclear membrane, but inside the cell, okay, the centriole is present. Okay, the centriole plays a very important role in the process of cell division. Okay, this is the structure of the cell, which is very important for our further studies. Okay, division. Okay, now cell division. What is cell division? From this term you may have got an idea that what the cell division is about. Okay, now you know what is cell. The functional and the structural unit of an organism is called as the cell. And what is division? Division means breaking into smaller parts or separating. Okay, now what is the cell division? Now cell division says it is the division of the cell. Okay, now we will see what it is exactly. The process by which a parent cell divides into two or more daughter cell is called as the cell division. The process, it is a process in which the parent cell is being divided into two or more daughter cell. This process is called as the cell division. Now, for example, this is a cell. Okay, this is a parent cell. Now, this parent cell, when this parent cell divides, it will form two or more daughter cell. Okay. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हम एक एग्ज़ाम्पल लेते हैं, अगर आप 3 फ्रेंड्स हो और लेकिन आपके पास सिर्फ एक ही चॉकलेट है. ओके, आपके पास एक ही चॉकलेट है लेकिन आप खाने वाले कितने हो? आप 3 फ्रेंड्स हो. सो आप क्या करोगे? उस चॉकलेट को क्या करोगे? आप 3 हिस्सों में क्या कर लोगे? आप उसे डिवाइड कर लोगे. ठीक है, मीन्स 1 चॉकलेट के आपने कितने पीसेस किए हैं? 3 पीसेस किए हैं. ठीक है, उसी प्रकार से हम भी यहाँ पे भी क्या करते हैं? यहाँ पे सेल्स, जो पेरेंट सेल होता है वो भी डिवाइड होता है और डिवाइड होने के बाद वो 2 और मोर डॉटर सेल्स क्या करता है? वो फॉर्म करता है. ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज़ द सेल डिविजन? इट इज़ द प्रोसेस इन विच द parent cell divides into 2 or more daughter cell. This is the cell division. Now, the cell division, this cell division is of 2 types. How many types? 2 types. One is the mitosis and other is the meiosis. Okay, the cell division is of 2 types. Which one? The first one is the mitosis cell division and the second one is the meiosis cell division. Now, this mitosis cell division takes place in the somatic cells, the cells which are responsible for the growth and development of our body. And second, the meiosis, it takes place in the germ cell which are responsible for the reproduction. Okay. Now, today we are going to discuss regarding the mitosis. Okay, one of the type of the cell division. Now, this mitosis is completed in 2 steps. Okay, first one is the karyokinesis and second one is the cytokinesis. See, this mitosis process completes in 2 steps. Okay, one is the karyokinesis and second one is the cytokinesis. Now, karyokinesis क्या होता है और cytokinesis क्या होता है? So, karyokinesis means nuclear division, means division of the nucleus. Okay. Now, and cytokinesis means it is the division of the cytoplasm. Okay, easy to remember. Karyo means nucleus, means nuclear division, and cyto means cytoplasm, means cytokinesis means cytoplasmic division. Okay. Now, again further this mitosis, this karyokinesis. Okay, we have seen that the mitosis is completed in the 2 steps. One is the karyokinesis and second one is the cytokinesis. Okay, now the karyokinesis, there are 4 steps of karyokinesis. Okay, the mitosis takes place in the somatic cell. Now, we have seen that the mitosis is completed in two steps. One is the karyokinesis and second one is the cytokinesis. Now, again further, this karyokinesis is completed in 4 steps. Now, we will see which are these 4 steps. One is the prophase, second is the metaphase, third is the anaphase, and fourth is the telophase. In these phases, the karyokinesis is completed. Which are the steps? Please remember: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In these phases, the process of karyokinesis is completed, and after karyokinesis, cytokinesis takes place and the process of mitosis is completed. Means the division of the somatic cells takes place to form the daughter cells. Okay.